In this chapter, we're going to dive into the fourth declension. And do you see in this first paragraph, we have two versions of the word lacus, one with a short U and one with a long U. Can you figure out the difference and the meaning of this word? Let's go. Lacus cum fructu. In montibus est lacus. Aqua lacus clara est. Ad lacum venit Marcus. Marcus cum manu aquam tangit. Marcus in aqua lacus manum movet. O dicit Marcus, aqua lacus frigida est. Flumen ex lacu fluit. Cursus fluminis per arbores movetur. Marcus motum videt. Folium in flumen cadit. Folium cum cursu fluminis movetur. Sub arboribus sunt multi fructus. Marcus fructum in manu tenet. Marcus fructui favit. In mente Marci est novus sensus. Marcus sensui novo credit. Sensus pacis in corde Marci manet. Do you know the declension pattern now? Most fourth declension nouns end in us and have genitive form ending in us with a long U, and the ablative form is just a long u ending. The dative form also contains a u since it ends with ui, so this declension is really dominated by u's.